let me fix my bangs. Oh, okay. So it snowed a lot. And I'm pretty much snowed in. So first things first, we gotta use our hand sanitizer because we're gonna be touching our face. So I've already moisturized my face and everything this morning, but it's been a little bit, so I'm actually just gonna go in a little bit with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer just to kind of give my skin a little bit more moisture to prep it. My Laneige Water Bank Eye Gel. This is like my normal eye cream that I use, but I'm just gonna make sure that my eyes are hydrated. And I thought we would kick it old school with a little bit of a disappointment and use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I got this palette. If you have been subscribed to me for a while and you've seen all my old videos and everything like that, you know how excited I was for this palette and then how disappointed I was when I got it. It's not like the worst palette in the world. It was just not as hyped as everybody thought it was gonna be. And this scent is just so strong, and I'm really kind of a sensitive person to scents, so that was kind of annoying, but it is what it is. I'm gonna use it. I bought it. This is actually one of the only palettes I think I kind of kept. I mean, I still have some palettes, but I've gotten rid of pretty much 90% of the makeup that I used to have for several reasons. A, it was expired. B, I wasn't using it. And C, why am I gonna hold on to it if I don't use it, you know? I'm going in with the color Georgia, if anybody's wondering. So yesterday was the start of Monday the 1st, which I think this video is gonna go up on Tuesday. If not, it's probably gonna be up on Thursday. So whenever you're watching it. So yesterday, aka Monday the 1st, was the start of my 8-week challenge for, I'm filming an 8-week challenge that I'm doing, and it's a body transformation thing, but it's literally, it's average Joe people. Some people are bodybuilders, and I did it in September, and these people I thought I was had a really good chance of winning at least 3rd place. I was oh, I'm doing so well, I'm doing so good. And then week 2, people posted their progress things, and I was I'm not even coming close to winning this. And I didn't, but that's okay. That being said, yesterday was the first day, and it was a rough day, which you will, if you watch that, you'll see why I don't really want to talk about it here because I will be sad. But I'm really looking to do in this 8 weeks, I'm not really looking to win any of the placements, which obviously would be cool to win, obviously. But I have some specific goals, and I'm gonna share them with you today. So I can do about 4 assisted pull-ups with the assisted pull-up machine. I am so bad at pull-ups, but my goal for the 8-week challenge is to get to 25 pull-ups, which is a big goal for me. I think I'm gonna go in with the color Pure, which is just kind of this brownish neutral color. So yeah, that's one of my goals. When I post the 8-week challenge, which that's gonna be, my first week is gonna be up on Monday the 8th, so be there, be square. I hate when it snows, because the one thing I was thinking about yesterday when it snowed was I was doing my little workout in the basement, and I'm definitely not as motivated doing home workouts now that I know that the gyms are open. I mean, the gym was closed yesterday and my kickboxing class was not there, but I feel now that I have the option, it just gets me out of the house, and it gets me I'm automatically there. But yesterday I did a little workout, and it was upper body, and I'll be straight up honest, upper body to me is I get so bored so easily. But at least when the gyms weren't open, I could do a little bit of that, and then I could go for a nice walk. And yesterday it was drenched, and snow was everywhere, and my husband's he's why don't you just go for a walk? And I was where? There's no sidewalks. I will freeze. My little tootsies will freeze. So I think I want to go in with this color Luscious. I really like this color. I'm into this color. It's really pretty. The one thing I will say, doing my makeup with lash extensions, the pros and cons. The pros, it's you just have your lashes there. The cons is sometimes when I do eyeliner, which I actually don't even do eyeliner with them anymore, it just like looks dumb, at least on me. I think it looks really weird on me. I've done people's makeup before with lash extensions, and I normally actually just kind of use like a eyeshadow as like the eyeliner, because you really don't want to get I use a gel liner because a liquid liner is not sanitary to use on other people unless you are pouring it out on a palette and using a brush. But anyways, so you really don't want to get like any type of like gel liner or anything near your lash extensions, because taking it off, especially because like most of the products I use are, you know, like waterproof or at least water resistant, it's going to be harder for them to take it off. But I don't really think I like the way eyeliner looks with lash extensions. But so how's everybody's 2021 going thus far? I know we're only into February, but I hope you are having a great 2021 thus far. I feel like it's a little hard because it is winter, and in wintertime things are sad because it gets dark, it's chilly, significantly worse. I am quite over the snow, to be honest. I would like to move. Not because I feel like I can't handle the snow, it's because I don't want to handle the snow. So now I'm going to actually take the Rare Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, kind of how I wanted to do it before. Like beforehand, I did the foundation and then I did the concealer, but I want to try it today with just doing the concealer first. Well, that's all we need. I'm trying to like hold up this mirror because I notice when I'm like editing, a lot of times I like crouch down like this so you could see my forehead, and it's like, that's a great video to watch. So this is the second time I'm trying out this concealer, so we'll kind of see. And I'm going to use the same Sephora foundation that I did in the did last week, so we're gonna kind of see how we like it again. I definitely did really like it. It looked really, really nice on camera. It looked really nice on person. On person? In person. So the other day, I was like kind of like window shopping online. Like I got, you know, like emails from like Lulu's and Abercrombie, and they were like, oh, we're doing sales. And I was like, oh, I gotta look. Like I have to look and see what they got going on, like what's new, like new clothes. And then I'm like, where am I going? Like, what am I doing? I want the stuff, but it's like, I don't need it. So I decided that I'm pretty much gonna do a no buy for clothes, at least until things are able to be a little bit more open, I guess you can say. I mean, let's be honest. I say I'm gonna do a no buy, and then like spring, summer's gonna come, and I'll be like, oh, I need a few more things. But at least in summer, like I'm going outside more, you know, like I'm inside. I'm in my pajama pants as we speak. See, I think I'm liking this, doing the concealer first, because it kind of just like blends in a lot better. Again, ghostly on camera, but I think it's, you know, also with the lights, it does match really well with like my my actual complexion color. I think the Rare Beauty concealer is like a really nice concealer, especially if you're not looking for something like super full coverage. If you're kind of just really looking for like a light concealer, it is definitely brightening, so it will kind of give that like brightening effect to it, which is nice. And I actually don't want to ever set this concealer because I feel like it's just gonna kind of take away the that like luminosity. And with the Fenty cream bronzer in Butter Biscuit, this is so fabulous. I talk about it all the time, anytime I do any type of makeup video, which obviously I haven't been doing this for about like a month again, so I don't know why I just tried to tap that off. So tonight I'm going to be making some turkey chili for dinner, which I'm really excited about. There's nothing more that I love making a delicious chili dinner anytime it snows. For some reason, I just think it goes fabulously together. But I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna see how it comes out. Obviously, if it comes out good or decent, you'll see it on my channel. But are you guys like interested in seeing that kind of content? I just want to like, the only reason I ask so much is because I'm kind of like in this like limbo of things that I'm trying to like figure out, I guess you could say, like where I'm going with this. So I just want to see if you guys are interested in that type of stuff. I'll say like once it gets like nicer out and like I can go places, or like once things start to open up and like, you know, we can do things, I definitely want to start trying to vlog more outside of my house, because I don't want my vlogs to just get repetitive of me being at home and being like, hey, so I'm doing the exact same thing I pretty much did the last vlog or whatever it is. I just love this cream bronzer. It's just so nice. Speaking of Fenty cream products, I'm gonna go in with the blush in Petal Poppin'. Just kind of put that on my cheeks. I have the bronzer on my cheeks pretty much too, but I think I'm going to use some of the eyeshadow underneath my eye. I'm gonna go in with the color Georgia, which is like that pinky color first. I will say I really like this color Georgia. It's really grown on me. I think this would also just kind of like be like a nice color to pretty much put all over like the lid and everything, and then just like go in a little bit with the like a shimmer shadow. So I think I'm going to actually take some of that shimmer that I used and just kind of like even it out, I guess. Actually want to take a little bit of, should I take a little bit of this like Hoola bronzer, this like mini Hoola bronzer, and just kind of put a little bit of this on my face? Do I regret this? I think a little. I think I regret it a little, but that's all right. So we're done. I just put a little bit of mascara and Aquaphor on my lips, and then just brushed a little bit of clear brow gel through my eyebrows because I just got them tinted in wax. I really don't need to like fill them in or anything. So this is the makeup look. Hold on one second. Let me come up. Hold on. So I turned down the light for you a little bit and came a little bit closer, but this is the finished eye makeup look. Look at me being a weirdo over here. It's very simple, very basic, very easy. I think I used like 3 or 4 colors on the eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me go sit back down. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup talking video, makeup chat video. I know I'm like all over the place when I do these, when I talk, because sometimes I have ideas of what I want to talk about and they just go completely out the window. If you would like to see these types of videos, like a makeup chat video, like maybe like once a week, let me know in the comments below. We could play around with some of the makeup that I have. If there's any other types of videos you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below so I can deliver those to you. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like to subscribe, that'd be great. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine too, but it'd be great if you could. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.